Making sense of plural indefinite pronouns. Mastering agreement rules. Hello language enthusiasts. Welcome back to another video. Today we're diving into a crucial part of English grammar, pronoun antecedent agreement. Specifically, we'll focus on the exciting topic of agreement with plural indefinite pronouns. So sit tight and get ready to master this grammar rule once and for all. Before we dive into the agreement rules, let's quickly recap what indefinite pronouns are. Indefinite pronouns, as the name suggests, do not refer to a specific person, thing, or amount. They are vague and general by nature. Words like all, some, none, several, and many fall into this category. Identifying plural indefinite pronouns is the first step towards mastering the agreement rules. Some common plural indefinite pronouns include several, few, both, and many. These pronouns are considered plural because they refer to more than one person or thing, even though they might not seem plural at first glance. For example, consider the sentence, "Many of the apples were rotten." Here, many is a plural indefinite pronoun because it refers to multiple apples. Here comes the trickier part. Making sure our plural indefinite pronouns agree with our verbs. As a rule of thumb, plural indefinite pronouns always require plural verbs. For example, in the sentence, "Several of the books are missing," several is a plural indefinite pronoun, and hence we use are, which is a plural verb. Now that we've got the verb agreement down, let's discuss pronoun antecedent agreement. The antecedent is the noun that the pronoun refers to or replaces. With plural indefinite pronouns, we use them to replace or refer to plural nouns or a group of nouns. For example, in the sentence, "The cookies were so good that none were left," none is an indefinite pronoun and cookies is its antecedent. Notice that none and cookies are in agreement as both refer to a plural or group concept. There you have it, folks. We hope this video has made the topic of agreement with plural indefinite pronouns clearer for you. Remember, practice is key when it comes to mastering grammar rules. Keep reading, keep writing, and keep speaking. You're doing a great job, and each step you take is bringing you closer to mastering the English language. See you in our next video.